Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about BIDU Incorporated, ticker name BIDU, traded at Nasdaq, and the question is, where is it going actually now? Because if you look today, we had a very nasty red candle here, currently trading at 136.91, 1 hour before the end of the trading session, but I think it won't change much even if we return to the level of moving average 50 here, the blue line of 142. It still will be quite a piercer candle formation, and the reason for this is that already long time, starting from even February of this year, you can see we are not able to pierce much higher than moving average 200, the red line here, or more technically speaking, it is so-called the parallel resist line formation. So we are able still to pierce moving average 200, but each time, like if you would draw the parallel line to moving average, curve, actually not really line, to moving average 200, you can see following it we still have this resistivity, and now we formed it again. The bad news here is that actually if you would look at the momentarily this formation, this forms like a triple line almost here. Triply reconfirmed resist level, and this means that I think there is no other way but just either to go down. We could still have a rebound if there is some positive catalyst comes, but let's have a look on reality. Reality is such that RSI is now really like dropping down, so people are taking profits, especially those who still took the position at about anything below 135. They still could be either exiting on panic or on any small rebounds they will be exiting. Look at the huge volume traded today, so it means like people are actually getting out. MACD histogram on top and descending wave, so we still should, we can start still another positive, but we need some strong catalyst like we had it here. But don't forget, in this action we were actually on the uptrend, but here we are on the downtrend, so most probably it will go on the decline. And this all means that we should be preparing ourselves to pick it up from a lower levels if you still want to trade here. The first picking up position will be here, because this line, let's make it dashed, looks like forming actually a support level, and therefore we will be betting on this first entry position as possibility. And this would be anything below the current minimum and actually these formations. Therefore, it will be like 122, 127, not mentioning cents here to enter. So this will be the first entry opportunity, the first sure entry opportunity. Of course, it might quickly rebound, but then it will not really technically predictable. So this is the very short first technical level on which we can rebound, but still then don't be, let's say, misled. The very first resist line will be forming anywhere at the moving average 20 now, the green line, because this usually means that we are returning to descending pattern, and as we saw, for example, here in August, each time the moving average 20, the green line works as resist here as well. We saw it. Sometimes it's pierced, of course, then it means we change from descending to uptrend, but here I don't see it for now. So resist will be at moving average 20 if we go lower to the first level. If we continue going even further, this might be also the case. Then it would mean actually the negativity is really strong here. Then this would be our second level of defense, 109, 114, where we can buy again. And if you look historically, there is also a third level here, which I would just call a so-called doomsday scenario. It doesn't mean that technically at the current moment we expect anywhere price going there, but this is just to be able, actually, let's modify, to be able to buy there and average down with some money. So if it really goes there with no technical but some catalyst based at rebounds, it should be enormous, and we will be able to not only make actually return loss but also make profit. And with this being said, we do non-linear averaging down, meaning that we buy the different portions at different levels. Here it will be again classical 5-portion play that you usually see at our channel. It means that you can buy with 1 portion at the first channel, keep 2 portions for the second channel and another 2 for the third channel. And what does it mean to buy in the channel? It means that you start buying with the portion. So you take this 1 portion, you subsplit it and start buying through when the price goes here. You try to do it such a way that you are always with your average price in the middle of the current channel of entry. With this actually should be the best mitigation of risks and best optimization for risks versus profits. With this being said, actually that's all for BIDU Incorporated. Might be opening a new descending trend, because after having these several attempts to pierce further what was not seen, so there is then only way down. With this being said, thank you for your time, and see you in another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.